I wanted to do a quick video on a homework question number 7 from lesson 4. So number 7 is probably one of the most complex questions in the homework, so I wanted to go through this. Before I go through the actual question, I just want to do a quick review. So if I gave you log base 3 of 9, how you would solve this is a couple things I just want to mention. So this would be the base, and the 9 is what we call the argument, right? So I always tell students an arrow from the base, the answer, and that's into your exponent. So 3 to the power of 2 is equal to, and it's always going to be equal to your argument. And in this case, the argument is 9. And 3 squared is 9, and that's equal to 9. Okay? And the reason why I'm showing you that is because in this question here, if I said, well, what's the base? It's log base 2. And whatever comes after the base, in the first example, it was 9. In this example, it's what's in the brackets. This bracket is the argument. So it's always the base to the power of 3, right? So base 2 to the power of 3 is equal to whatever they have written in the argument. And the argument in this instance is another log. So let's continue with this. 2 to the power of 3 is 8. And that is equal to log base 2 with this new argument. Okay, so now it's just like we're evaluating another log. So now I have base 2. So it's always the base to that power. So 2 to the power of 8 is equal to, and it's always going to be equal to the argument, x minus 7. Evaluate what 2 to the power of 8 is, and you should get 256 is equal to x minus 7. And from here, isolate x by adding 7 to both sides. And you should have isolated x, and you would get x is equal to 263. Okay, and that would be your solution.